why we need to have CU-MEDi? I think our roles as medical school is we want to produce the doctor for the future. So we have our regular program which we quite succeed. As you know, like this year, also our students at our next class have the highest score. I think that has been going on in the last few years. And now if you think that there are also some students like you that sometimes you don't know you want to be a doctor or not. Sometimes you start with other career path and then you might learn that you want to be a doctor, or you might think you can extend or integrate the knowledge you already have to become the new type of doctor. And we also need the doctor who are internationally or globally able to work globally. So that's why we come up with the idea of CU-MEDi.